Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make animated videos using Canva. So let's get started. In the Canva homepage, you're going to first click on videos. Then you're going to click on video right here. Once your design has been created, you're going to head over to Elements. Then using the search bar, you want to search for a background that you want to use for the animation that you're going to make. For example, I want to make an animation of a park, so I'm just going to search up park background. Now you're going to click on graphics, not photos, because we're doing animations here. Just pick one that you want to use. For example, I want to use this one right here. Now you're going to adjust it to fill the whole page. Alright, now head back to Elements and search for whatever you want to add to your animation. For example, since my animation is going to be a park, I am going to search for a person that is walking. Now find one that's animated, so let's say this one right here. Make sure you adjust your character or object to a good size so it looks good. Alright, now I want you to go down here to your clip and you're going to click on the middle. Then you're going to right click and you're going to click on split image. On the second clip, I'm going to move the character all the way to the right side so it looks like they walk to this side. I accidentally adjusted it on the first clip here, as you can see, but I can just swap them out, so it's not a problem. Sorry for the confusion. Let me just go ahead and swap them real quick, and there we go. So it should look something like this now. So what we need to do now is we're going to put our cursor in the middle of these two clips here, and we're going to click on Add Transition. Now you're going to click on Match and Move. So now our character actually looks like they're walking instead of just teleporting. But they're going way too fast, so we're gonna need to adjust the duration right here. I'm going to extend it just like so, and now let's see. As you can see, it looks much better. So now we're done with the first part. Now you can go ahead and add another page if you want to do multiple animations. Then just do the same thing you did for the first clip. You're going to head over to Elements and search for a background. And after that, you're going to search for animated characters or objects that you want to add to your animation. For this next example, I'm going to be doing a sort of restaurant animation. So I'm just going to search up restaurant background. I think I'll go with this one right here. It's very small, so let's go ahead and stretch it. Make sure it fills up the whole page. That should be good enough. Now let's head back to Elements and search for a person that is drinking water. I'm just going to type in drinking water. Alright, let's go with this one. Now I'm going to adjust it. After that, you can add another page if you want, and just keep doing the same thing over and over again. It's up to you how many pages or animations you want to do. You get the gist of it. It's pretty simple. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.